Hi guys, welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we are going to be taking a look at BNB. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like the video, and if you're not already a member of our Telegram group, I'll leave the link in the description below, so feel free to join us there. So BNB, the 5th ranked coin on CoinMarketCap currently, has a current price of $242, a monthly low of $184 and a monthly high of $297. So if we have a look how it's been performing over the short term, here is the 4-hour chart for BNB. And we can see over the last week, in line with the rest of the market, we've had quite a strong move up. And we're kind of at this decision point really. So in terms of support, we've got this ascending trend line here, which has met the resistance level here at around $243, $245. We can see previous resistance throughout the end of June as well. So we're at the point where this is either going to have to break out of the resistance or fall below the support here. It's going to have to do one of the two. So as for now, I wouldn't be looking to enter either way. I'll perhaps then look for a scalp on confirmation of a breakout or a breakdown. And also notice how this blue line here, this is the moving average 200. And like many coins at the moment, and Bitcoin as well, on the 4-hour chart, it is trying to flip that level, which is a major resistance level always. Especially as many of these coins haven't been above that for a good few months now. So definitely strong resistance. If it can flip this level often, flipping the moving average 200 gives a bit of power to a coin, and you can then start to see a strong move up. What I would be looking to do, as I said, if this breaks down here, I'd perhaps then look to position short. If we flip this level at 245, and then on the retest, I would perhaps then look to enter a long position, probably targeting first of all in the area of $260, and then if we can see a stronger move up, up towards $300. At the $300 level, at the first attempt, you could potentially look to scalp short if it reaches that. Obviously, it's previous resistance and support as well, and obviously $300 is a psychological barrier as well. In terms of a longer term investment, well, this is the weekly chart, and for full transparency, I've probably been invested this 2.5 years now, and it's one of the first coins really that I started to seriously put money into for the long term. And I'm in no doubt, I've always said it, that this coin is going to go to $1,000. I still believe that. And personally, every time this coin sort of dips to $200 and below, I have been increasing my position, and I will continue to do so. So for me, $200 is a good area to enter a longer term position. One thing to keep in mind though is if the market was to see a strong pullback, even more so than we already have, on the weekly chart there's not much support before between $200 and $50. So we can see here, even throughout 2021, this $200 level it's always sort of held up on the weekly chart. It's never closed below. But because of this huge pump here, if it was to lose this level on the weekly, we'd have to consider an outside chance of this going back towards $50. However, this is one of my favourite coins for the long term, and it's always been a strong coin. If we look at it since its launch, well, it's 5 years old this week actually, it's always performed well against Bitcoin. So this is BNB against Bitcoin on the weekly chart, and we can see it's always performed well, and it's never really created new lows, except it did here, but look how it then moved up very strongly. Throughout the 2018-19 bear market, it outperformed Bitcoin. So for me, this is a serious coin. It's one of the best, one of the safest for a longer term investment. So yeah, to recap, for me, $200 and below is a good position to enter for a longer term investment. And right now, we kind of if we're looking for a scalp, we're looking for a breakdown of this to enter short, or a flip of this to then enter long. So I hope you found this video useful, guys. In the description, or sorry, in the comment box below, don't forget to add your comments, what you think about BNB as a long-term investment, whether you're trading this currently, and what your thoughts are. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.